गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, आप लोग कैसे हैं? आई होप यू ऑल आर वेरी वेल एंड enjoyed your summer vacation. And from today we are going to start our online classes. So come back on study and focused here. So we already discussed this chapter. This is you know that very well. This is your 60th chapter book, and this chapter is for gender sensitivity. We already discussed this chapter, this topic, gender sensitivity at play. So today's topic is gender sensitivity at work. Okay, just I let you revise it. What is the meaning of gender sensitivity? You know that gender sensitivity is being aware of the ways people think about gender, how the people are thinking about the gender. You know, there are how they are taking how they are thinking about men and women. So it involves getting rid of the outdated views about women, and it involves considering men and women equal. So gender sensitivity means how the people are thinking about the gender, means men and women. Okay, and in this chapter it is promoting gender sensitivities in different aspect of life. Okay, so अब वो टाइम नहीं है कि जब ये सोचा जाता था कि men think what men can do, women can not do. जो चीज़ें आदमी करते हैं वो औरतें नहीं कर सकती, या जो चीज़ें ओनली फॉर मेंट फॉर बॉयज, जो लड़कियों के लिए बने हैं, वो लड़कियां नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकती, या लड़कियां पढ़ने नहीं जा सकती, सिर्फ बॉयज जा सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. सो अभी क्या है, सारी जो थिंकिंग है वो सब कुछ खत्म हो चुकी है. सो इस चैप्टर में बेसिकली हम यही पढ़ने वाले हैं कि कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो एक आदमी कर सकते हैं और औरतें नहीं कर सकती, और जो काम लड़के कर सकते हैं वो लड़कियां नहीं कर सकती. सो हियर इज जेंडर सेंसिटिविटी एट वर्क. सी, वुमेन हैव रीच्ड एट द टॉप इन मेनी फील्ड, बी इट स्पेस, ट्रेवल, बैंकिंग, पॉलिटिक्स, etc. अभी के टाइम में क्या है, व्हेन यू विल सी most of you watching movies and the news and sports, so you can see that in each and every field, okay, the women, they also got the top places. Okay, ऐसा नहीं, you can, those who are, you can see that girls are also playing cricket, women are also astronauts, women are also politicians, women are also a policeman, means everything, each and everything. जो कभी आपने सोचा होगा कि ये फील्ड ओनली फॉर बॉयज एंड मैन, बट देयर गर्ल्स आर ऑल्सो going and taking place, they fix their place. When you will think about the army, you can then that time you will think that this army is only for boys, women cannot go and join that field, but it is absolutely wrong. Now in these days you can see women can be a pilot, a woman can be join the interim forces like army, they can be police, they can be doctor, everything they can. Okay, so in each and every field, जो field कभी ये समझते थे कि that is only for boys and men, there girls are also going, women are also going, and they fix their place and they also reach on the top, और वो top पे पहुँचती हैं. So here I'm showing this picture. She is a Kiran Bedi, you know, she is Kiran Bedi, and you can see this woman is the first IPS officer of India. Women of IPS officer. She is the first woman IPS officer. Okay, and she has given her 35 years in this service. She is the first IPS officer and she has given 35 years. Then after she has taken the voluntary retirement. Okay, in each and every field, you can see in this picture, he is Sanjeev Kapoor. Sanjeev Kapoor is India's very famous chef. But when you will think that chef खाना बनाना only that work is for women, but ऐसा नहीं है. ये शेफ हैं और खाना बनाना ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ औरतों का ही काम है. इन्होंने वर्ल्ड वाइड फेम अचीव किया है. लोग इन्हें इनके अच्छे स्वादिष्ट व्यंजनों के द्वारा ही जानते हैं कि ये इज अ फेमस शेफ, ये बहुत बेहतरीन खाना बनाते हैं. तो अगर आप देखें कि किरण बेदी, शी बिलोंग टू दैट फील्ड वेयर इज, जहाँ पे आदमी ज़्यादा देखने को मिलते थे लाइक अ पुलिस, बट शी इज़ द फर्स्ट वुमेन, शी ज्वाइन द IPS सर्विस ऑफ इंडिया. एंड हियर इज संजीव कपूर, जिन्होंने वो काम चूज किया जो 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 कहा जाता था दैट इज ओनली फॉर वुमेन. ओके, तो इन्होंने उस काम में वर्ल्ड इंडिया का नाम रोशन किया जहाँ पे जो काम सिर्फ आदमियों के लिए बना था, और इन्होंने उस काम में अपनी प्रसिद्धि हासिल की जो काम सिर्फ औरतों के लिए था. सो हियर व्हाट आई वांट टू से दैट अ मैन एंड वुमेन कैन डू एनीथिंग. ओके, कोई काम ऐसा नहीं कि जो सिर्फ आदमियों के लिए हो और कोई काम ऐसा नहीं जो सिर्फ औरतों के लिए हो. सो द मैन एंड वुमेन कैन डू एनीथिंग. ओके, and now you can see that moreover men like Chandra Kochar, Mamata Banerjee etc. Mamata Banerjee is a politician, and means that politics is not very easy task. There is so that is not a easy task, but वहाँ भी they achieve their success. So what I want to say that simply that all the feminine work can also be successfully done by men. जो काम औरतों वाला होता है, जो काम औरतों के लिए होता है, that can also be done by men, and what is meant for the men only, the girls and the women can also do the same work. So there is no any question mark on the ability of women that they cannot do that the work meant for boys, and there is no any question mark on the ability of boys or men that they cannot do the feminine work. So it is totally a misconception that the girls cannot do the boys work and the boys cannot do the girls work. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay, both men and women should realize that they cannot dominate any field. The both changes each other. The both have equal ability and both can challenges to each other. Okay, when you will see in each and every field, like when you will see the parliament, okay, there are men and there are women. Some of them, when you will see the Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, she was the former president of India. When you will see the Mamata Banerjee, she is a politician. Kiran Bedi, she is a woman IPS officer. Sania Mirza, she is a tennis star. Mithali Raj, she is a women cricket captain. So each and every field, the women also, they captured the topmost seats. Okay, so there is no any misconception that they cannot do the work that men can do. So men should not underestimate or discriminate women. Okay, a proper, safe and secure atmosphere should be provided to women at work by the employees. If the women are doing the work, so it is the responsibility of men. Okay, they should provide a गुड एटमॉस्फेयर. ओके, अगर कहीं औरतें काम कर रही हैं तो ऐसा ये मन में ना रखें कि दे आर वुमेन एंड दे कैन नॉट डू. नो, they can do because they have the same ability the men have, and this is the responsibility of man. They should give a proper atmosphere there they feel like home, जहाँ उन्हें घर जैसा महसूस हो, and then after they are very their mind will be free. They can do the good work. Okay, so this is the topic. Okay, gender sensitivity at work. So in this topic you come to know that there is no any misconception, there should not be any misconception of in our mind that men cannot do the work is meant by the women, and women cannot do the work that is meant for boys and men only. So each have the same ability, each have the same conception, each have the same physical attitude, so they can do the same work. Okay, even the girls, the women have done good work in the field of men. Okay, so here is our topic is finished, and tomorrow next video we will do the question answer of this chapter here, and this fill in the blanks and true and false. I already filled this fill in the blanks. If you have books, so you can fill this fill in the blanks in your book, and after doing this question answer you have to attach these all things in the attachment file, and you have to give me back. Okay, so I think all of you have book. If you don't have book, then go to your school and buy the book. Books are available there. You go and just start your studying. Okay.